to another episode of Learning Chinese with Hansen. Oh, and KK. Okay, so before we start today's video, I want to have a special shout out to one of our viewers. Yeah, it could be you. Okay, his name is Cody. He's probably watching right now. Make sure you like Cody and subscribe. Okay, now on to today's video. Today's video we will be learning around a very important character that we've learned before. Sing. What does that mean? Oh, you don't remember? Well, in case you forgot, it means heart. Yeah. Or it kind of means think, because we all know that back then they thought the heart was for thinking and the brain was just this big bubbly organ. Okay, the first one is Kai Sing. So, do you know what that means? Well, Kai means open. No, that has nothing to do with the relatively dangerous open heart. It actually means happy. Okay, so the next one is Guan Xing. So, do you know what Guan Xing means? Well, Guan means close. So does that mean unhappy? No, it doesn't. It actually means care. Because, you know, you're close to someone else's heart. That hurt. Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, so now, maybe you guys should watch your numbers video before you move on to this video, by the way. So, now we're going to do E, Xing. E is one of the easiest characters in the Chinese characters lore. Oh wait, no, there's no such thing as Chinese. Wait, there is. Okay, so E, Xing means focus. Do you have focus on this video right now? Give me a thumbs up. Hey, have you heard of the word single-minded? One heart and single-minded, aren't they the same word? Yes, and they also have the same meaning. That right? Yeah! Okay, the next character. Sing. Okay. No, that does not mean not focused. It actually means not loyal. Because when you want to betray, like back in the old times, if you want to betray, let's see, your king, you have to have a planned backup if you get caught, right? Okay, now the final one is Sang Sing. Do you know what that means? Huh? Come on, give me an answer. Yes, finally it means not focus. Okay, now let's review. Sing means heart. Also might mean thinking, because back then they thought it was meant for thinking. Okay, Kai Sing, that means happy. Guan Xing, that means care for someone. E Xing means focus. Xing means not loyal. Sang Xing means not focus. Okay, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!